this is going to be any good. It was 10 English pounds, so it wants to be. Actually, I don't know how much it normally is. Is it from Dubai? Are we mailing it in? Oh, it feels like bloody Willy Wonka opening it fully like this. Very decadent. They should have gone gold on the foil. That's my first note. I feel like it was a lot fatter on other people's videos. Getting a lot of chocolate. Don't look at this. Don't watch me. I'm gonna tongue it out of the middle, okay? If there's any sheikhs watching this, then this will be £6,000, okay? So the middle is very, very nice, but there's bugger all of it. So, up your filling, will you, Lynn?